Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss: protecting your freelancing career on Upwork by identifying and avoiding common job scams. So let's dive right in.
The first red flag to be wary of is when clients ask you to communicate outside of Upwork. This tactic is often employed by scammers who want to exploit freelancers for free work. They may lure you with promises of higher pay and more significant opportunities, convincing you that working off-platform is beneficial. But beware. Communicating outside Upwork puts you at great risk. You lose the platform's protection, and it's against Upwork's terms of service. In case you don't get paid for your work, you have no recourse, and Upwork cannot intervene.
Remember, some scammers use fake identities, making it challenging to track them down if you pursue legal action. That's why it's crucial to conduct all your communications and transactions exclusively on Upwork. Stay safe, and don't fall for the bait.
The second scam you need to watch out for involves clients asking for free work samples. They may claim it's a test to assess your skills or suitability for the project. While it's understandable to showcase your abilities, Upwork explicitly forbids providing free work samples. Many freelancers have been taken advantage of, investing valuable time and effort into creating samples without ever being hired or paid. So, how do you avoid this trap? Look into the hiring history of potential clients. If you notice a pattern of multiple free sample requests without any actual hiring, it's likely a scam. Remember, your skills and portfolio should speak for themselves. Don't feel obligated to offer free work. Finally, let's talk about the third scam that preys on freelancers with unrealistic rates and excessive revisions. Scammers often post seemingly legitimate jobs that offer just above minimum wage rates. They know many freelancers are eager to escape minimum wage jobs and jump at the opportunity. To wrap it up, safeguard your freelancing career by staying alert and cautious on Upwork. Avoid communicating outside the platform, never provide free work samples, and set appropriate rates with defined revision limits. By being vigilant, you can protect yourself from common job scams and build a successful freelancing career on Upwork. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you all the best in your freelancing journey.